Welcome to Daily Justice Files.
All right, court is calling 2024 CR 6190, State of Texas versus Roberto Cibrian. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett.
Defense?
What have been also defense?
All right, and are you Mr. Cibrian?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you, counsel, have you received all the discovery?
We have, Your Honor.
Did you review it with your client?
I have, yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Cibriano?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm adding syllables to your name. Mr. Cibrian, did you review the document entitled Application for Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Mr. Cibrian, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with robbery? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Cibrian, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. State recommends community supervision. There's to be a restitution of $1,000 to Cavender's store. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that there be no contact with Echo, Summerall, Sumeral, or the Cavender store, that there be 200 hours of community service restitution and a TAP evaluation. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review that with, any objections?
No objection.
Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Oh, we'd ask the court follow the agreement. Mr. Cibrian's father is been diagnosed with cancer, and very aggressive with cancer. He wants to take care of it.
All right. So why are you stealing boots from Cavender store?
It was just a bad decision at a bad time. Just not in a mindset of I had bad, news with my dad. I had a lot of emotional things going.
So that transfer into you stealing.
It shouldn't. It's
My
not.
father's ill. Let me go steal some boots.
It's not a An excuse for that, miss. I'm sorry.
All right, when's the last time you had employment?
Like maybe a month ago, well, it's been like 4 months now.
All right. Have you ever used any drugs?
No, ma'am. Or like I've done drugs, but I haven't done
What have you
recently.
done in the past?
Um,
And you notice my question was, have you ever used
oh, yes, I have. Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
what?
Marijuana and, okay.
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any children?
I have 4 kids.
What are their ages?
3, 8, 11, and 12.
And where are they now?
They're with, their mother.
Has Child Protective Services been involved?
No, ma'am.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to find you guilty, sentence you to 10 years in prison, suspended and probated for 10 years, restitution of $1,000 and no contact with Cabinet Store and Echo Summerall, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, a $2,000 fine, probated, proof of employment within 20 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, no unsupervised contact with minors, field visits, 1 time per month for 3 months. And I'm going to want him to do CATS 1 and 2, their theft course. And we'll do a TAP evaluation out of custody, follow recommendations of TAP, and 120 sober meetings in 120 days, and 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once he completes parenting classes, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. So here's the thing. Don't use your father's illness as an excuse to make bad choices.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, miss. I appreciate you.
All right, thank
Enjoy
you.
the rest of your week.
All right, thank you. All right.
A robbery case, 2 defendants, and before this courtroom is done, 1 judge will deliver lessons that go far beyond the law.
All right, court is calling 2024 CR 1225, State of Texas versus Natasha Morgan. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Andrew Harris Sadelman.
for the defense?
Peter Calderola standing in for Mr. Humberto Saldana for
And-
Miss Morgan.
And are you Miss Morgan?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right.
I got a little sore throat because the air conditioner over there in my dorm in 2 Bravo is freezing cold, and I'm sorry if my voice is low. I wasn't talking to nobody, Your Honor. I respect the judge. My mother was an Air Force pilot, 97286, even though I broke the law before her. I apologize.
Oh, your apology is,
For a lot.
your apology is accepted.
It's horrible conditions.
Yeah. All right. So here is my question. Defense, have you had a chance to confer with her? She said that she was hearing voices or,
I take medication. I take Giodon.
all right. And do
Yes.
you believe she's currently competent?
I do so believe, Judge. I did speak with Mr. Saldana, and he expressed that his intention to go forward with this plea and Miss Morgan's intention to go forward.
All right. Ms. Morgan, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
My name is Natasha Elizabeth Malloy Morgan, Your Honor.
All right, so this attorney is standing in for Mr. Cabanas. Do you have any objection to this attorney standing in?
No, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right, have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report state?
No, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and we'll continue after the state has reviewed. All right, any objections to the PSI report?
No objection.
State any objections?
No, Your Honor.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Not at this time, Judge.
All right, Ms. Morgan, if you were released, where would you be living?
I was gonna go to the Hayden, while you was gone on a vacation. I seen Judge Hahn, I believe her name is, on May the 17th, Your Honor. And she had asked me the same question that you asked me.
All right, that would probably be Judge Her.
I'm sorry, I knew it was
No
the
problem.
age.
All right. So with regards to your mental health issues, do you have a doctor that you see when you are not in custody?
No, I'm gonna roll in the Medicaid Superior, and Amcon Insurance. They have Central Meds up there, but they have Center for Health down the street that, they have a psychiatrist there that will be, available to give me my psychiatric medication. You know, release if you decide that it's, in your favor, in your judgment to release me on, the 10 years of probation, plea of bargain, yes, ma'am.
All right, and state you may be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 10 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 10 years. There's a $500 fine that will be probated. She's going to be on the MIC caseload,
Yes, Your Honor.
and that's based upon the evaluation that the court has seen. I'm going to ask for a trauma assessment, and I'm asking for that based upon what's in the PSI report. There's to be restitution, if any, to Jerry, Jeri Brown. I'm going to do a referral to Esperanza Court based upon what I've reviewed in the PSI report. If she's not accepted into Esperanza Court, then we will, that'll be the first one. If she's not accepted there, then we'll try felony drug court. The reason why I'm suggesting these, now, here's the thing. You have issues going on with you. I'm reading the PSI report. I've read the PSI report. I've seen your diagnosis. Going to Haven Hope is not the best place for you. You need a place where and these programs that I'm recommending to you, they're all outpatient programs, but you are going to be in custody for the weekend. Felony drug court and Esperanza Court, they will send someone over to interview you Monday or Tuesday. And if you're accepted in those programs, you'll probably be released on Wednesday, and you'll be released to be in their program. What I can tell you is Esperanza Court and Felony Drug Court, they'll be able to help you with housing. They'll be able to help you with any mental health issues, and that's what you need. You understand? All right. And they will do it by next week. It will be done. It's not going to be done. Well, there's still a strong possibility they may be able to see you this week, but because of the holiday, it may not be 100% this week, but definitely by the following week. And counsel, if it's not done by Tuesday of next week, just come back in and we'll have it brought over and I'll do something else.
Yes, Your Honor.
But you need to be open and honest with them. You understand? All right. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular random UAs. There's to be proof of employment or SSI within 45 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider.
At first, everything seems routine, but as both hearings unfold, personal struggles begin to shape the courtroom in unexpected ways.
Or with minors, field visits 1 time per month until proof of stable medication compliance, and a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order anger management. Once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
I want to ask you, am I allowed to speak?
Sure, yes.
I don't understand. I've been in psychiatric care since the age of 9 years old, state of Oklahoma,
Mhm.
and in Texas. And I just don't see how psychiatric, like everybody wants me to take medication, it seems like, for issues. But, I did 20 years in prison, 12 years administration segregation. I hadn't been in trouble in 4 years. And 2 of them imprisonments was on false allegations. And then on this one,
Well, here's the thing. Let me explain something to you. So with regards to medication, if the doctor says you don't need medication, if the doctor says, she just needs therapy, then that's what we'll do. But what I'm reading in the TAP evaluation, it states that you're on medication at the jail.
yes, yes, ma'am. I do take the medication and jail issues, but I do know within my rights as the state, I've been to South Shore, Chandler Ridge, I've been to mental hospitals. Like I said, state of Oklahoma, my mother was military. I was myself in Post Oklahoma. That's court order. Like medication, I don't use drugs or alcohol or anything
Well,
like
this is
that.
what I can tell you.
Yes, ma'am.
Legally, with medication, if you choose not to take the medication, what's going to end up happening is you may or may not decompensate. If you decompensate and become incompetent, they are probably going to take you into custody because this is considered a violent offense. And then they will seek to help you regain competency. And if they determine that medication is what will make you become competent and you choose not to take it, it will go before a judge. And then when it goes before that judge, they'll have a hearing on whether or not medication is to be forced.
So what do you-
And here's the thing, you'll have an attorney to represent you at that hearing. I'm just giving you these rules and I give people conditions. You have a choice. You can follow them or not follow them.
Yes, ma'am.
That is completely up to you.
Yes,
And of course, there are consequences when we make certain choices. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yeah, sorry.
Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am. I just must have signed this on May 17th.
All right. And did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you. If you need anything, just let the court know. All right, could I see, sir, thank you.
Maybe excuse me.
Yes.
Have a safe flight, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Sergio Barrera.
What begins as a standard plea hearing quickly becomes something much deeper. In the first case, the judge looks beyond the robbery charge and questions the choices that brought the defendant into court, making it clear that personal hardship can explain behavior, but it can never excuse it. In the second case, the focus shifts to mental health, where the judge carefully balances accountability with treatment, searching for a path that offers both supervision and support throughout both hearings. The Courtroom shows that justice is not only about punishment, it is also about responsibility, rehabilitation, and the opportunity to make better choices. Every question, every answer, and every condition imposed by the court is designed to determine whether these defendants will repeat the past or build a different future. As the hearings come to an end, one message stands above everything else: the judge can offer a second chance, but only the defendants can decide what they do with it.